On Tuesday, the 25th of April of 2023, a symposium was held by the Catalan Institute of Oncology in their role as coordinator of the War Package 8 of Joint Action on Tobacco Control 2. The symposium focused on smoke and aerosol free environments with the premise of learning from practices to improve smoke and aerosol free environments in Europe. A consultation to experts was conducted within the framework of Joint Action on Tobacco Control 2 during the summer of 2022. More than 100 key informants were contacted and invited to provide information on barriers and opportunities, as well as on best practices in the context of smoke and aerosol-free environments in Europe. As a result of the consultation, 37 practices on smoke and aerosol-free environments were reported. These practices focused on different settings: beaches, playgrounds, cars, healthcare services, schools and universities, workplaces, hospitality sector, homes, transport and platforms, cities, and national policies.
The campaign that's called Take 7 Steps Outside, and that's a campaign that was developed in Leeds in England in the UK. It's an information campaign that encourages smokers to take their smoking 7 steps away from the home or from the car, and that's in order to protect children primarily from exposure to secondhand smoke. It targets the whole population, but of course it also targets subpopulations who may be exposed to more secondhand smoke in the home. And I think it's approximately 75% of individuals who were surveyed who said that it had caused them some concern around their smoking behaviours in the home. And of those individuals, I think around 35 or 38% said they had made some change to their home smoking practices.
Since 2018, Alliance for Tobacco-Free Societies has been working with local municipalities and organizations in Belgium to make sure that every child born on 2019 and after that would have an opportunity to live in smoke-free environments. The approach of civil society organizations in Belgium is to promote a voluntary approach to outdoor public spaces. The idea behind this smoke-free practice is to make sure that every municipality, every sport facility, childcare facility, recreational facility can apply for a smoke-free label and receive a support, guidance and roadmap from civil societies in Belgium and implement and enforce smoke-free ban in outdoor areas.
It has been shown during the symposium that there is room for improvement of smoke and aerosol-free environments in Europe. Of course, there are many barriers, starting with the resources to be allocated to accomplish smoke-free and aerosol environments. The interference of the tobacco industry is always present as a common denominator. There are also other structural and even cultural limitations or barriers to these practices. However, it is clear that there are new practices to be used. There are opportunities that we have to take into account. So altogether, we have plenty of opportunities to expand smoke and aerosol-free environments across our countries.
The objective of the symposium was to identify the learning key aspects of the practices on smoke and aerosol-free environments that were informed by experts and further presented in the event. The goal was to approach the symposium with a collaborating and reflective exercise that would allow to go beyond the information gathered in the consultation and extract lessons learned from shared knowledge with the panelists and the attendees.